Working in Word 2016 utilizing a document outline. We're also going to create a new document style. Let's get started. We're in our document now, and we're going to change our title, highlight it, and we're going to change it to heading number 1. All right. We're also going to change several of these headings in our document to a different style. We're going to change President to heading number 2. General Manager, highlighted, heading 2. We're going to also use our Format Painter, change Vice President, heading 2, Format Painter, change Regional Manager to heading 2. Now we're going to apply heading 3 to our subdivision headings. North and West Region, South and East Region, North Region, heading number 3, South Region, and our East Region, heading number 3. Now we're going to utilize the hierarchy to create a new style. So let's highlight hierarchy. And we're going to go to our styles drop down box, and we're going to choose create a style. We're going to call the style name new heading. We're going to click on the modify, arrow down, and we want to use Comic Sans for our font. We want our font size to be 16, and we want our font color to be blue. And we also like to model this style after heading number 2, so we're going to arrow down and pick heading 2. And we notice that add to the styles gallery is checked, and also only in this document. So I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. Okay. Now I'm going to delete this hierarchy out of my document, and we see the new heading is still here. I can arrow down, or I can right click, and I can modify that heading or any other heading that is already created, or I can remove it from our styles gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the styles gallery. Now we want to view our current outline in the outline view. So if I go to view and I choose outline, that's going to take us to view our organizational structure. I can expand or collapse. If I double click, I'm collapsing each one of these entries. If I double click, I expand, and I decide that I want my vice president to move up a level under president. All I would do is highlight and click move up. Move up. So I moved it up under president. If I want to move it back down, all I do is move down. General manager comes right after president, and I close my outline view, and I'm back in my document. Let's review what we just learned. You can apply any standard style by utilizing the styles gallery. You can also create a new style, modify or delete a style to your gallery. You can review or modify your document in the outline view.